Pictung lesson day 8. This morning I was check my own garden from my yard. Actually, it's not really look like a not look like not look like yard because the pad that we use is made from ceramic, so I use still poly bags to plant some on top of it. And I just realized that without any implementation on something that would start energy biotic thing, the living thing that provides how can I say this about unsur hara. It will make the plant small and doesn't make a lot of fruit. I have learned it in my major, but I never try to practice it in my home. I cannot say never, but seldom. I'll already buy fertilizer. I have tried some fertilizer that make chemically, so it will make my plant grow faster and better. But at some time I think I want to make my plant grow better and nicely without using any chemical substance on it. Because I really hope that I can get a pretty nice plant with good fruit and delicious food. Without worrying about my thing. I really hope that I can make some garden for my family. So whenever I want to use or want to harvest the fruit, whenever we need, I can fulfill our needs in daily life. Even though it may sound illogical because the yard is not really big to fulfill our needs in daily life, but at least I can produce some goods, and maybe when I can master the technique, it will bring me more benefit. some appointment. I will try to make some profile for my social media that I left it for several months because I feel I don't want to do it for a while, and it postponed really long. So yeah. Somehow my bicycle feels heavier than usual. Maybe because I like exercises. I seldom do exercise except when I want to go to somewhere or when I have something to do. This doesn't really matter if I want to get good body, healthy body. Yeah. In the future, I plan to make the useless ground, the useless farm, to be a usable farm. Although the treatment may not as good as the commercial one, so I hope it will bring good impact for us. Actually, there are someone that try to make that land to be used, but somehow after they cut it down, they leave it for few months. I don't know if they still use the land or not. So I just need to make some proposal first. Try to think necessary thing, like what item do I need, the seat, what kind of plant that I want to put, and other system that necessary to run the garden. Oh my god, I don't know why, but my body is feeling heavier than usual, even though I don't bring my laptop in my bag, because the time is not really long. I just spent 1.5 hours for the class, and then I immediately need to go home to continue the project by learn by watching in BPP and Caekek. And the maps, the Jatisari area is not really long. But I hope it will done well. Oh my god, what happened to my bicycle? I feel so heavy. What about you guys? Do you have idea how to make garden in such small area but have big harvest rate? And there are some ants that running around in my eyeglasses. Let's continue. I want to try to make a lot of fruit in the plant while the ground is not really big, and I hope I can make substitute for the fertilizer. I need to use commercial one, and maybe soon I will try to sell the fertilizer, the plant, in online shop. Even though there are a lot of aspects that I need to think of in this, I will try to make it first. I will try to generate it. Oh my god, pet is really heavy, man. And the speed is not really fast. Am I too tired? Maybe, but I don't know. Oh yeah, and another one thing. Yesterday, I tried my pudding, my own milk pudding. Only use 3 ingredients: sugar, milk, and jelly. But the result is really weird. The smell, the jelly, it feels too much. I mean, the jelly itself, the texture is really okay, but they are a little bit hard. But the taste after I ate my pudding, it's weird. I don't know. Is it because the milk is come from the apothecary, or it's because I mistake the other cooking, or is it because other aspect? But my brother say it's good, my sister say it's good, but I don't think it's good. The taste is really weird somehow. I doesn't mean that the weird taste is come from the pudding, that they have maybe a sluggish taste and kill acid. The pudding itself is in the good condition, but the taste from the milk that you smell like a fat in the milk. They're disturbing me. I wonder why. But maybe if I use commercial milk that normally or commonly sell a lot of people in the civilian. And by the way, when I made the milk, the pudding milk, the plastic algae gets shrink, and it's because it's too heat, it's too hot. As I put the microwave, I like up the microwave for at least several minutes. Actually, it's not really long, but somehow the jelly is already formed. Even though I plan to wait it for a few minutes to make it more colder, so the plastics will not shrink, but it didn't happen. I don't understand why. Maybe I will need to try other idea, and hopefully it works. Yeah. The test and trial again and again. And well, it is as the book said that finding a winning product is really heck difficult. But they said that when you have found your winning product, it feels like all the world feel really easy. Mari Pak. There are a lot of amazing creatures in the world that you may not think that the living creature that the God has not served but provide for us is basically made for the human. Like there are some trees, water, animals that live in the forest. They have their enemy, they have their ally, and somehow the one that is sacrificed, the one who will be strong, the one who will be beaten in one day is unlimitedly recycle. The cycle is meaning unlimitedly. And it will broke, it fall down, and somehow after a long time it will get broken, and it will fertilize the surrounding. And from that we learn how to cultivate our own farming, our own animal cage, become a shepherd, and everything no longer the civilization get improved, get more modern. Somehow the other animal is not able to compete with the human. They create, but they broke something. They don't see the problem for the animal or the human. The thing that they care, I can say, is the nature of the human thing. Is being able to survive. And the modern era, life is more structured, but somehow some of the humans get the privilege to enjoy the profile access, and some of them feel the stress because of the pressure that they put on the civilian. There will always be someone superior, and there will always be someone inferior. The thing that matters are the human rights, the human is how they can survive whatever it takes, how they can enjoy everything that provided in the world. In religion, they talk, they teach, or they deliver to be humble, to be discreet, to be wise for everything that they do. And there are a lot of limits. Such myself, my family is, you can say, above average for its religiousness. We do everything that we can to avoid that restriction that have been made very often, and each feel they are shackles or something that hold us to do something that normally people will think it's a fun thing. Uh, some of the case, the rules it's feel like really fun for us, and in some cases there are some rules that feel heavy for us. I don't really like speak to a lot of people, but when someone want to speak to me, I don't hold myself unless there are a few things. Like first, if my opposite speaker is a female, so I need to be alert that I don't nyepi. Nyepi is something that done by having a conversation alone with the female, stay alone in certain area, or they stay in the public but they speak sensitive thing like their own problem, their life, giving an incest or something. And it's a little bit hard because the culture has been made, and we need to be as humble as ever. Like when I want to reject someone who want to give you a right because he's a female, I just say I cannot do that because they oh my god, they are my opposite gender, so it will be count as misdeed, the bad deed. At first it's really awkward, but as the time goes on, it feels a little bit normal. Oh my god. There are a lot of stories that tell someone do adultery in some cases, and I feel I oh my god, I feel right time. I think that can actually happen. Okay. When you feel I can say it. When you feel good with someone, especially for opposite sex, you will have urge to be closer with her, talking, and have a comfortable conversation. And the other thing, everything that you consume on social media, on internet, somehow it will be applied into your subconscious area. Even like myself, I understand that is the bad thing to do, but it feels good when you read something that beyond your control and have a good hallucination, have a good delusion to bring the happiness that have created. And as you feel that and God, somehow something push us, something push me to do more than before. I seek for more comfortable, more enjoyable experience rather than the reading from the book. I am a male. I do have attraction for few females. Even though I tried to not get close relationship with someone as female, but I still open up myself in certain condition. You can say a friendship that have a restriction. I will fall in love or someone. I don't really know. Is it because they look, their appearance, or is it because their way to act at certain moment, or is it because they need to think the other thing? Oh my god. Do feel when you talk to someone that you like, or someone that you have different emotion other than the ordinary people. At the time I feel I want to possess more beyond the thing that I can have. I mean, you can say I'm not his boyfriend, not his husband, or someone that become clients or something. I feel I want to be more closer. I want to be with her for all day. My parents always remind me, always tell me about the bad thing that will happen when you do dating to someone. And they, not only my parents, but the relative of my blood, the relative of me, has agreed the same thing. When you date someone, especially you are male, and every man will be forced to utilize, to provide their mate for everything that they have, for everything that they want. And religion told us to be good to our mate in a way that we able to do. So when I only able to give my mate, or in the religion, the mate that only be mean, that only be able to get the what's manfaat, the usefulness, is the partnership mate, such as husband and wife. Husband when husband only can eat rice and not the other thing, the wife must follow the husband, even though the husband has been tried and do their best to get something, do their best to get something that they can, and the wife is allowed to say something to the husband, hoping that the male can provide everything for her. But when the condition is not allowed the husband to get it, they both must be patient. The male will think how they can provide a lot of things so their family can survive, and the yell, the annoying conversation that happened between him and his wife, or the wife that must be patient when a lot of things is not doing well according to her ideal thing. So it's really affect our life when we choose our mates. Different than the soulmate, someone that will make a pact and promise to live forever, whatever it takes. Oh my god. Our friend is someone that you need to give and take in really limited action in limited area. In religion, you must not touch someone from opposite sex. You must not have the conversation. You must not be alone with her and everything. Basically, in the common civilization that I know, they let someone from the opposite sex to be together. They date together. They do everything that they want from the start. If I use my logical and experience while reading some fictional book, they will start to like each other. At some point, they will start to being touchy, being flirty, and after a few times, they will they will somehow get to really deep relationship, and at the end they will have sexual intercourse with their girlfriend or their boyfriend, and meanwhile, because they are not tied by marriage pact, either the male or the female can change their partner whoever they want, and that is the problem. The only thing that human can do especially in sexual intercourse, that will provide or will create the new generation for our country. It will be valued as much as how much the human think about their value. Yeah, I can say that someone that loves to date with someone might find some cases that they got NTR, got caught by cheating someone, and they had some point, and maybe they broke. Somehow the man get the woman to be together with him, and they broke again and get the other partner. It is so easy to do. That make the value to be together as much as the marriage partnership. Will decrease. The value will decrease, and maybe, in my opinion, when they can access all of that, definitely, when someone willing to pay something to let out their sexual desires, the bond that they make in marriage is no longer meaningful. At some point, I really want to have someone that close to my heart, close to myself. I really hope that there always be someone who support me when I'm stressed or when I have a difficult time. Even though I live with my family, I have few friends, and they could be a support for me. But I'm the one who didn't want to bother anyone if I could do it by myself. You can say it's a strength. You can say it has weakness. Because of this trait, I always do something alone. I always do everything that I can to accomplish my thing. Even though also I can do it with my friend together and sharing the burden together. Somehow I feel I don't really like it. You can say if I do it by myself, I understand the problem, so I can solve it quickly. When I do it with other people, there are few areas that we must aware, like when we are talking together, have an agreement to something. And we mismatch our conversation. Somehow, I really want to push the personnel. Even though the personnel is having other time or the difficulties and not have understanding moment. Yeah, maybe it's because of me. I have a hard time to try be if you're not available to someone. And in a college, at least I forced to work together and share the same burden with their own responsibility. So actually, I getting better. Soon I will arrive to my college, so I think it will be enough for today's conversation. Maybe for a few days I will talk about my project and I will do for a few days. So yeah, see you guys, listen. Bye bye.